My family loves it when I bake, and I love to do it on special occasions. But I'm starting to get concerned with how much sugar we eat. I try to keep our diet balanced, but I learned that sugar is hiding in foods that don't even taste sweet, like pasta sauce and salad dressing. And don't even get me started on carbs.
We all know too much sugar and too many simple carbohydrates are not good for you. But you should also be aware how quickly your body breaks down the sugars and the carbs, especially after you eat. Research has proven that when this process happens too fast, sugar spikes can occur, and this could affect your health. Help maintain your healthy blood sugar levels meal after meal with Glycemic Guard from Life Extension.
After doing some reading, I learned that with age, your glucose tolerance and healthy insulin sensitivity can decrease. How can Glycemic Guard help?
Glycemic Guard contains extracts of maki berry to help support glucose absorption and cloves to promote healthy liver function.
I've been taking Glycemic Guard every morning for a few weeks now, and it's reassuring that I'm covered for the whole day. I still love baking for my family, but it's really nice to know that with Glycemic Guard, I have some peace of mind.